The Smith Mountain Lake Charity Home Tour starts this Friday, and it's your chance to be a voyeur for a good cause. Jeremy and Alicia explain in today's Your Home.
Hi, and welcome back to Your Home. I'm Jeremy, and this is Alicia, and we're with F&S Building Innovations. And you know, a lot of people around here know us as a general contractor, but today we get to showcase what we really enjoy doing, and that's giving back to the community, showcasing what our community is all about.
Yeah, we're super excited. Just in the past couple weeks, we were able to be a specialty sponsor for the Cure by Design Gala for the Virginia Cancer Society. That's near and dear to our heart. Most everybody knows somebody that's affected by cancer. Upcoming in just the next few weeks, we're going to be a Heart Walk sponsor. October 7th is in the New River Valley, and October 20th is in Roanoke. That's for the American Heart Association, and we're collecting sports equipment to donate back to kids in our area. But today, we want to talk about the Smith Mountain Lake Charity Home Tour. This is a great event that helps 8 local charities, and we are at the Bedford Pregnancy Center today.
Why don't we go inside, talk to Lori Lewis, who is the director here, and get a little bit of more info of what this is all about.
So we're in the Bedford Pregnancy Center now with Lori Lewis. She's the director. What F&S really loves about the Charity Home Tour is the fact that it's helped so many local charities. Those funds go directly to the people in our community. Over the last 26 years, over $4 million has gone to help these charities. Lori, why don't you tell us a little bit about what the Charity Home Tour has done to bless the Pregnancy Center?
Okay, well, there's been a lot of things. Some of the things you're seeing in here have been donated by people in the community, but just when you came in, the parking lot, that was a $13,000 check that we were able to receive from the home tour, and so we have a new parking lot. We were able to also add another staff person. Right now we have 3 staff people part-time, and so we were able to add a special events director with that extra money.
And what does the Pregnancy Center do? Some people are wondering, what's your mission?
Okay, well, we are a ministry to moms and children, and we take care of free pregnancy tests. We have an educational program called Earn While You Learn. It's a curriculum, a bona fide curriculum, and so they come in and they learn how to take care of their baby. We want their babies to be born, but we also want them to be good parents. So we are a Christian pro-life ministry, but we want to equip them to be the best parents they can be.
So if you want to have a really great time and also support these local charities, this coming Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, October 5th, 6th, and 7th, is going to be the Charity Home Tour. You can get tickets online at Smith Mountain Lake or SML Charity Home Tour.com. They're $30 each. But if you'll pay attention to F&S's Facebook page in the next couple days, we're going to give away a couple of those tickets, so you might get some for free.
Like Alicia said, the Smith Mountain Lake Charity Home Tour starts this Friday, October 5th through the 7th. Cost is $30 online and $35 the day of. If you want more information or to get tickets, you can go online to smlcharityhometour.com or check out their Facebook page. You can also find out more about F&S Building Innovations by giving them a ring at 540-985-9160. You can check out their Facebook page or go online to fs4seasons.com.